Yes, student, today we're going to learn the solution of an equation. So first of all, we have to understand what is solution of an equation. We know that the equation, simple equation is like this. Suppose I am taking it like this, x minus 1 is equal to 2. So here, what is the meaning of solution? Solution means the value of variable. Value of variable. And which value of variable? That value of variable, substituting which and doing the calculation, we will get the left hand side is equal to right hand side, because here is a symbol equal. So on the right hand side we are observing the number is 2. Here is no variable, but on the left hand side we have variable x minus 1. So if we're going to use trial and error method, so we have to think in what number 1 should be subtracted so that we get 2. So if we write 3 in place of x and subtract 1, what we are getting? 2. 3 minus 1 will give 2. It means by taking x equal to 3, we will get left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 3 will be called as solution of the equation. So solution of equation means value of the variable which satisfy the equation. The word satisfy means left hand side, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let us take an example. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Now we have to think what number should be placed in place of y, so that by doing the calculation on left hand side we'll get the number 4 as on the right hand side. So what we have to do, we have to remember some points, that with the y we have in combination plus 4. It means we have to make it 0. So we have to use the concept of sign rule. Concept of sign rule. And it is that same signs are added. It means if we have plus and plus, it means both of them will be added. If we have minus and minus, it also means both of them will be added. And different signs are subtracted. Different signs are subtracted. It means if one is in positive sign, another should be in negative, it means it will be subtracted. Or if first one is in negative sign and second is in positive, then it will also be subtracted. So what we have to do, we have to remove 4. We have to remove 4 means we have to subtract it. We have to put such a number subtracting which it will become 0. So if we'll think, if we subtract 4 from 4, it will become 0. So we have to think like this. So here we have plus 4. And we know that according to the sign, if we have to subtract, then there should be different sign. So since it has plus 4, so what we're going to do, we're going to add minus 4 on both the side. We're going to add minus 4 on both side. First come to left hand side, we have plus 4. We're going to take the same number but in opposite sign. This point you have to remember, you have to take the same number but in opposite sign. As it is in positive, take it in negative. Add to the another side also. We have added minus 4 on left hand side, we have to add minus 4 on the right hand side also. So plus 4 and minus 4 will become 0, we can cancel it. So we'll get y, and here 4 minus 4 will give 0. It means the value of y will be equal to 0. It means here the solution of equation is 0. Let us take one more example. Second, x plus 6 is equal to 2. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Here in combination with x, we have the number plus 6. We have to make it 0. So what we have to do? We have to add the same number but in different sign. It is in plus 6. Take minus 6. Add minus 6 on both side. So first come to the left hand side. We'll going to add minus 6, and on the right hand side also we'll going to add minus 6. So plus minus minus, it will become 0. Both will be cancelled and become 0. What is left? X. Here both are in opposite sign, and opposite sign means they are subtracted. So we're going to subtract 2 from 6. This will give 4, and since the bigger number is in negative sign, so we will get the answer in negative sign. So the value of x will be equal to minus 4. That is, the solution of this equation is minus 4. So this way, student, we can solve the equation, but we have to remember the sign rule. Thank you.